Once we walked into that model home and saw what was available at that price, we just thought it was a great value. We knew right away that was the home for us. My name is Matthew Kaee.
My name is Elaine Kaee.
And we live in Delmer Lakes North. The most memorable part of our home buying journey was just the process from January through August. Just to watch the process from start to finish was just a lot of fun for the two of us as well as for the rest of our family.
We looked at several builders, other builder properties, and none of them compared realistically to Tabor Homes. We had a list of the features, the added features that Tabor provided with each new home. When we talked to the other builders about these features, the price of that home just grew exponentially. So it was just a no-brainer decision to go with the Tabor home, plus the quality and the features of it just met our needs.
Homes by Tabor's ethics and transparency in their pricing played a big role in our purchase. And I say that because, of course, lumber prices went through the roof. We were very happy when those prices were still going through the roof and Tabor was willing to not adjust the price up and stick with the price, the original purchase price. Made a big difference to us. We don't know if we would have been able to afford it if they hadn't stuck with that price. So it was a big deal. Very important to us.
My favorite feature is the pass-through, walk-through kitchen, which was really important to us because we have so many people in our family that like to mingle in the kitchen. Plus with children, little grandchildren, they like to mingle as well. They're running through. So it made it a perfect match for us to have that kitchen that can pass through. I would definitely recommend Tabor Homes to my friends and family. Our son and daughter-in-law were over visiting this past weekend, and they just can't get enough of it. They said they hope someday they can purchase a home just like that from Tabor Homes.